During the war.
Okay.
During
the Nigerian Civil War.
Nigerian Civil War.
Okay.
Okay, Choma no where maybe near no where fighting driven. I think the thing where go where this Orion River where cross ala where Bume Igbo. Yes.
After Orion
River in Abudu. Yes. Because the guy about the cars yeah to his and all those people they are or we Iru when they own the car. So when us were Bume from that river.
From there can
yes.
And in the making a mono, she only Nanzera, Ono Catona Neo, Neswell in Eddie's own home was on Eddie. Women on Chukwe, you can know Zoni, or getting wages on one way with the Cocono. About Koto Ware, and you know, make it job and say my feature been on 1 year feature, near boom, when you're bueni, oh, so wise on Eddie. Anyone who can tono kato na toko tetonke MBB you can shoot you can you can shoot you can yeah neku Anioma as a state ona manane ogambo ndi Bini when Benden state Benden ahụ ka obo Bini ji memeni ya number 1 or need the rest of Obi be under him. When I push, but no one will be happy. But young man, and near me, and when some men do be, when you are building what you carry Obi check. But when you want to carry Obi abo, when you want to carry Obi master could be called. Now, well, no, many neighbor, then all I say, we're not divided that bend then. Into two, engine where Edo and Delta. Obomudia. On one and one, no, who you met, because no Bomudia very funny. Majority in the back, Macanin, La one year back. Maybe on actually, then and Edia were all in the same state. Nakoji believe where Bucheba. But we're not all the one, no, but in there, not for fun because only back up with any Hinija. Local government not that channel so whenever we show man then you never been here German Igbo that channel before you want no cause am fa beni like here na no we ku na a lot of people ndị okwe na need no change efa ndị say na change ko efa kama we we ọnụ we lekwo so here na eku ni Anioma na no we ku eni o me na obia umu na ndị ahụcha we move to Edo State through boundary adjustment. I can watch you when Azum. I join you Abavo. Great is a more local government for us. Or when I cook, when I know when any Sunday, the origin meeting about when my meeting, I know when interpreting in Piano. So Yakaiti rating one in any dinner, and no money. So yeah, so nine money all from what you know. Una support to Anioma, una support to ane money money in the Edo State po ha no atademe fofone no go enu chefono ya we yan neku and when you sponsor this state creation o Senator Ned Nwoko omuhunu nwe unu ka agwa as a word of encouragement nunuku ishagwa
first and foremost to my mind, Mama or Dr. Oliver Monday, and in support of the creation of this Anioma State. No, my DNA from this creation of Anioma State, no, my local government to individual villages. Like I know one day Abavo and the move been and Abavo, and the local government in Abavo.
Yes, of course.
But therefore, you know, some of the social amenities are in there, okay, because I am under local government. We create here, na baba we local government we many things. Look at this ozo, and I also power. I cannot ozo. I feel no one done. I can move very well. When they local government, so the support for the creation of Anioma State.
Wow.
Thank you. Yeah.
And before I very onwe ndị na-esi n'ihe ejiri ekwu na-ekreti Anioma na-eto na-eme ndị wụ na ndị Igbo Abavo ụnụ ndị Bini abụ ndị Igbo ka iwo
anyị ndị Igbo Nụanị, alụanị, nye ofuro, anyị ndị Igbo. Anyị chọ.
Anyị na-asụ koyo ebe.
Anyị chọ ndị
We are not speaking koyo. Manu Yoruba.
Yeah, I don't know about your new Basana Anioma, no episode.
Mele when he choni kuma ni Anioma. Anioma we choni we ke. No so hoy. Amela hoy onya hori.
And yengatio Anioma no we dey choni we create. Ori aso enyu nde Abavo. Ori aso enyu we idumu gbebe. Ori awo ile anu we meme. Ele kwelio no Anioma no we create.
Ene gane eye ned si ned ya gikeme wese ka dopu hanyi ba na yun di Anioma ni onso kan because okay o make government very closer to us and okay where development and gwangwa so ya wa area ya ni landon gwa anu le yan people eku discourage here let him fight for that local government for that state.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
F1 JP, John Paul Edopolo. This man, yes now, John Paul, okay, let me read it. John Paul. Always yoku, according to what we said before. This Ned Nwoko is my own person.
Wow.
Organize this Anioma. I'm the secretary, South local government.
Okay.
Of which you have went to Asaba several times, even when we are going on white and white bead and red car. My the uniform is in my house. So I so much like it. If he can bring the Anioma State down to our footstep, we'll be very, very happy.
Good.
Secondly, Obone ndi wandi ye achori riri e discipline the man. We see him flying. Abavo atalafun politically. Ebo mele wefo bia owefo le eske one Anioma State. Let federal government do him a favor, do the state a favor in creating the Anioma State. So that every dividends as regards to future things will arrive in Abavo Kingdom. So osnobes ke yando ogologo ogide ka rorun ni orun aru ale na ma hoza woni nyero mile aleka.
So who dey make it up? Okay, no. Time when we are in Obiri and we are happy and ndị ụmụnụ said it be here I know ogweje ho we no no je we ka re kwa happy ododa ani chawo nwene asụsụ ahụ ejide nene ọdịnala na omenala ahụ ri ime na ejide nene ana ihe owule na-eme kike na esi ani buni nwene m wo ndị ọdụ niile ọdụ niile so omenini on afọ akụmazụ for suppose afọ Abavo for omenala na afọ Abavo for suppose afọ orogodo for but kike na oyo bana na anu eni show onwe at the end onwere ihe enwe but nwoke omo onwe ni ohuma ogun ahụ IKG 6 years no and we can under 1 week maka na bia together ya o ihe ji many idara ime agwa ndị na die ni we yi na neka n'okwu eni chan ụzọ hori 1 April na ere n'okwu eni hori 1 na ko ha mo ni na America daru na
Lọ́dọ̀ ọ̀nà mọ̀ ní apàmì ọ̀nà àlejò ọmọ náà lọ́dọ̀ tó jẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ ọ̀nà mọ̀ àlejò ọmọ náà ọ̀nà lè tú òṣù ẹ̀yìn adé òṣù gbà yá jẹ́ náà ọ̀dọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ lórí pàdémẹ̀ tó ekele mọ̀ ọ̀nà àlejò mẹ́ lẹ́mà ìmọ̀ pọ̀ ó tẹ̀kẹ́ ìtàn àfọ́fọ́ lẹ́mà ìmọ̀ pọ̀ ekele mọ̀ ọ̀nà ọ̀nà